You're not seeing things that isn't a tree branch, but a living bird. This is our star of the day. The Potoo. This fellow is the ultimate camouflage master of the bird world. As long as it wants to hide, even the sharpest predators will pass right by it. But the moment it opens its eyes, well, the vibe instantly shifts from survival in the wild to a hilarious internet meme. Today, let's talk about this weird and wonderful creature that went viral thanks to its god-tier camouflage and panicked facial expressions. Potoos are mainly distributed across Central and South America. They are nocturnal, meaning daytime is their sleeping time. But for a bird to sleep in broad daylight, isn't that basically inviting eagles and snakes to eat it? To survive, the Potoo has evolved the ultimate camouflage. Bark-like plumage. Their feathers are a blend of gray, brown, and black, with a texture identical to tree bark. Statue-like posture. During the day, they stand upright on top of a tree branch, raise their heads high, and close their eyes. They look like a broken branch and remain completely motionless like wood. Lazy nesting. This camouflage is so effective that some Potoos stand on the exact same tree for years. They don't even build a nest, they lay and hatch their egg directly in a small groove on a tree trunk. What makes the Potoo truly unforgettable is its disproportionately huge, golden yellow eyes. When startled or when night falls, it opens its eyes wide with fully dilated pupils, looking like a cartoon plushie having an out-of-body experience or someone who just realized they won the lottery jackpot. These eyes aren't just for looking dramatic. They provide incredible night vision. Even better, the Potoo has a secret skill. Tiny slits on its eyelids. How it works. When they appear to be sleeping with closed eyes during the day, they are actually spying on the world through these tiny openings. They can see you perfectly fine, while you walk by thinking they're just a log. At night, the Potoo unfreezes from its statue state and transforms into a cool-headed hunter of the night sky. That's when it reveals another astonishing physical feature. Its cavernous mouth. While its beak looks small when closed, its lower jaw structure is uniquely flexible. When opened, the width of its mouth is almost as wide as its entire head, making it look like a feathered slither. Io snake or Pac-Man. The hunting strategy. The Potoo sits quietly on a branch. When a moth, beetle, or crustacean flies past, it swoops into the air, opens its giant mouth wide to scoop up the insect like a fishing net, and then flies right back to its branch to resume acting like a stick. This mid-air interception method allows it to fill its belly while spending as little energy as possible. In English, the bird gets its name Potoo because its call sounds remarkably like it is saying its own name, delivered in an ethereal, almost mournful tone. In Brazilian and Peruvian folklore, Potoos are shrouded in mystery. Some legends view them as guardian spirits of the forest, Others believe their haunting calls are the cries of lost lovers, searching for each other. This contrast. A funny meme bird by day and a mysterious phantom by night makes the Potoo a truly one-of-a-kind creature in the animal kingdom.